there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Embrace Each Moment, and this is the sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Embrace Each Moment once again, and we'll be using this couple and Have I Told You Lately That I Love You. So I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss, and I absolutely love this. Okay, so from the holiday catalog, I have a piece of the red foil, and it comes with red and green. And then I have the smallest heart from the Be Mine stitched. And then I have a piece of Whisper White and the stitched rectangles. And we'll just run that through. And it's so easy. It's like almost effortless. All right. And now I am going to be embossing, and I have the Settle folder, and I'm going to come in with my red foil sheet. Okay, so looks like I just need 1 and number 4 for the 3D. This is the first time I'm embossing with this. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, I absolutely love this machine. Okay, I'll get that out of the way. I'm going to come in with my Whisper White. Okay, and then I'm going to come, come in with my Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And then I have this mounted on clear block E, and I'm just going to put it right here at the top. And then I have our sentiment mounted on clear block D. And I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. Let me clean it really quick. Okay, try it one more time. And then I have a baby wipe, and I'm just going to wipe off the love. And I'm going to put it right down here. Then I'm going to come in with, actually I'm going to wipe this off again. And that's not the normal way that I clean my stamps. I'm going to come in with my Real Red marker, and I'm just going to color the love. So just like that. Our card base is Whisper White thick, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Excuse me. I'm going to come in with my red foil sheet and my Stampin' Seal. That is a little bit crooked. Let's see if we can't get it straighter. Alright, and then I'm going to give it a good rub down. I'm going to pop this up with our Stampin' Dimensionals. And we'll put that right there. And I'm going to come in with one last dimensional for our heart and put it right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple love card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!